everyone, today I will present the English assignment. The material I choose is about computers and hardware. The first thing we will discuss is about computers. What is a computer? The word computer comes from the word compute, which means to calculate. Therefore, people usually consider a computer to be a calculating device that can perform arithmetical and logical operation at high speed. It accepts data as input, then processes it, and finally desired output. Computer is an electronic machine which converts our raw data into meaningful information. Next, we will talk about types of computer based on size. First, we have supercomputer, a powerful computer that can process large amounts of data and do a great amount of computation very quickly. Second, we have mainframe computer, a high-performance computer used for large information processing jobs. Third, we have mini computer, a mid-range computer that is intermediate in size, power, speed, storage, capacity, and etc. between a mainframe and a microcomputer. The last, we have personal computer or PC, a small computer designed for use by a single user at a time. A computer has two main parts, hardware and software. Today we will talk about hardware. Computer hardware is a physical device of computers that we can see and touch. Hardware refers to the external and internal device and equipment that enable you to perform mere functions such as input, output, storage, communication, processing, and more. There are two types of computer hardware, external and internal. Next is computer hardware parts. These hardware components are further divided into the following categories, which are input device, computer's device, storage device, and the last is internal components. Input device. Input device are hardware components that enable users to enter data and commands into a computer system. They allow users to interact with the computer and provide input for various tasks. For the example of input device is like keyboard, mouse, touchpad, touchscreen, and microphone. Next is output device. Output device are hardware components that allow computer present information to the user or to communicate data to external device. For the example of output device is like a monitor, printers, speakers, projector, and headphones. Next is a storage device. A storage device is a hardware component or device used to store and retrieve digital data. They allow users to save files, documents, programs, and other types of data for later use. Storage devices come in different types and capacity, each offering different benefits in terms of speed, capacity, durability, and portability. For example of storage device is like hard disk drive, solid state drive, USB flash drive, memory cards, external hard drive, and cold storage. And the last is internal components. The internal components of a computer refer to the hardware components that are placed inside the computer, case or cases. These components work together to allow the computer to function and perform various tasks. For the example is like central processing unit CPU, motherboard, memory, storage device, power supply unit, expansion cards, cooling system, and connectors cable. That's all for today's presentations. Please forgive if there are mistakes. Thank you for listening my presentations and have a nice day.